Good morning. Want to catch up on today's biggest stories in just a few minutes? From bold moves in Washington to major shifts in the crypto world, we've got 4 news updates you can't miss. Curious what everyone will be talking about. Stay with us. Your quick news roundup starts now. Elon Musk publicly criticizes Trump's tax and spending bill. Elon Musk has criticized President Donald Trump's new tax and spending bill, calling it a disgusting abomination on X. The bill recently passed by the House features large tax breaks, more defense spending, and raises the U.S. government's borrowing limit. Musk, who left the Trump administration after 129 days, said, "Shame on those who voted for it." He warned that the bill will massively increase the already gigantic budget deficit to $2.5 trillion and burden Americans with unsustainable debt. The legislation also extends previous tax cuts, increases funds for deportations and defense, and lifts the debt ceiling to $4 trillion. Despite criticism from Musk and some conservatives, Republican leaders plan to push the bill forward. Some Democrats welcomed Musk's remarks, noting the growing debate over the measure. Bitcoin ETF linked to Trump's Truth Social nears launch. Trump Media and Technology Group is nearing the launch of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, named after its social network, Truth Social. On Tuesday, NYSE Group filed paperwork to list the Truth Social Bitcoin ETF, with Yorkville America Digital as the sponsor. The ETF aims to track Bitcoin's price by buying and selling the cryptocurrency. Crypto.com, through Forest Dax Trust Company LLC, will act as custodian for the digital assets. Trump Media, majority owned by Donald Trump, began trademarking investment products linked to his policy themes earlier this year. If approved, the ETF would join over 60 similar U.S. funds, but stands out due to its connection to Trump, who has supported Bitcoin-friendly policies. No ticker or fee details were included in the filing. Trump Media and Yorkville have not commented on the development. Democrats say SEC withheld info ahead of crypto bill hearings. As the House prepares to debate a major crypto market structure bill, Democratic staff say they were denied access to technical analysis from the Securities and Exchange Commission. The Digital Asset Market Clarity Act will be discussed Wednesday in both the House Financial Services Committee and the House Agriculture Committee. Democratic aides report that when they asked the SEC for details about the bill's impact, they did not receive answers that had previously been shared with Republicans. They also said the agency did not provide subject matter experts for their briefing. In response, Representative Maxine Waters drafted a letter to the SEC chairman requesting a full technical and impact review of the legislation. The SEC stated it provides technical assistance to any member of Congress who requests it. The bill aims to set clear rules for digital assets, but Democrats are concerned about possible loopholes for traditional securities firms. Debate continues as some Democrats support advancing crypto bills, while others remain cautious. U.S. doubles tariffs on steel and aluminium imports to 50%. President Donald Trump has signed an order doubling tariffs on steel and aluminium imports from 25% to 50%. The new rates, effective Wednesday, aim to protect the American steel industry, but have raised concerns among businesses and trade partners. The UK was granted an exemption, keeping its tariffs at 25% due to ongoing trade talks. The U.S. is one of the world's largest steel importers, sourcing mainly from Canada, Brazil, Mexico, and South Korea. Some U.S. companies say the higher tariffs will increase costs and force customers to seek alternatives. Steel imports dropped 17% in April after earlier tariff hikes. Trump said the move is designed to make U.S. firms buy domestic metals, while critics warn it could trigger retaliation and job losses. In the UK and Europe, officials are pushing for agreements to avoid further trade tensions. Economists note that previous tariffs created few jobs in steel but caused broader economic losses. Before you go, tell us, what's your take on today's news? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. You're watching Finance Daily Reports, your source for global finance and politics. See you soon and have a nice day.